The proposal for the formation of Muslim League was proposed by Nawab Salimullah at Dhaka, right? What was these Muslim leaders were doing over there? So they assembled at Dhaka in connection with the Mohammedan Educational Conference. So basically it was an educational conference when they get together, and Nawab Salimullah proposed a proposal over there for the formation or to have a political organization for the Muslim, right? So on 30th December 1906, as I have written over here, 30th December 1906, All India Muslim League came to existence. इस ढंग से ये Muslim League came to existence. Aga Khan became the permanent president, right? So the whole scenario was presided over under the presidentship of Nawab Salimullah, and then Aga Khan became the permanent president of All India Muslim League. Headquarter was chosen as Aligarh, but after 1910 it was changed to Lucknow. This is how Muslim League came to existence. Now let's talk about the aims and objectives of Muslim League. Now let's talk about the objectives of Muslim League. Muslim League was formed with the purpose to motivate the Muslims to support the British government. This is the first objective, right? Second, to remove the misunderstanding between Muslims and the British. If you remember, after 1857, there was a confliction, or their relations got bitter between Muslims and your British. The relations of the Muslims and the British got bitter. In order to improve those relations, this association, this league started working. Third, to protect the political rights and the interest of Muslim, whatever the interests of Muslims are. Remember, deputation to the Viceroy. What they were seeking? They were seeking reservation. They were seeking separate electorate, right? That was the interest. You can say a political right also. In order to protect it, this Muslim League came to existence. Fourth one, to aspire the Muslims to be mild and moderate with British. ये बड़ी मज़ेदार चीज़ है. After 1885, when Indian National Congress came to existence, it was the national movement was under the leadership of moderate leaders, and few young Congress leaders were not happy with their working and their approach that was moderate with the British. And in 1907 we saw a split, that is, Congress was divided into two parts. Here in 1906, an organization, a league came to existence, that is All India Muslim League, which is saying that the Muslims should be moderate and mild while talking to the British. While asking anything from the British, their approach should be moderate. There is another association, that is Indian National Congress, which is trying to leave that moderate approach, and there is another association which came to existence in 1906, which is going to adopt that moderate attitude to ask anything from the British. See the difference, right? Fifth one, to prevent the hostility between Muslims and other communities, right? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करने वाले थे? In order to have a healthy relations with other communities, we are going to develop good relations with the other communities and the Muslims. This is the objectives, these are the objectives of Muslim League. Thank you.